What we have gotten started today is the actual framing of the Carl's Place built-in screen. So if you get the kit, it talks about how the structure needs to go together in terms of where the brackets attach, where the Velcro hook and loop strap needs to attach for that angled piece of fabric that attaches. And then we have some other structure in here just for how we like to do these. So our opening is 155 inches from left to right, and then it's 102 inches tall. What that will give us is a viewable screen of 94 inches tall and 144 inches wide, which is a perfect 16:10 ratio, which is what the in-ceiling projector shoots. So on this left side here, at the bottom and at the top is where the brackets will attach for the cabling system. And then 6 inches over, the reason we have this block here is because this is where we'll attach our Velcro strip, which will conceal this space where the screen attaches. We like to do a 2x6 just so that it gives us wiggle room to get it nice and pulled tight. It comes with adhesive, but what we use is a stapler just to attach it to the board so it's really rock solid. You don't have to risk that pulling away from the wall. And then this is our padded panel. So from this spot to this 6-inch mark, we'll have 5 feet of padded panels, and we're going to split that in half and inset a light in between the two panels. Carl's Place does sell the padded panels. They're fantastic. They work really well. We just make them in-house because it gives us some flexibility in terms of how we're going to build out the structure. So everyone's different, but their panels are great. But yeah, so that's kind of the first right wall. We'll put up the left side wall next. So that'll go here. It'll mirror this side exactly. And then we'll put the supports across the top, which will again have the mounting point for the bracket in the corner and then a nice wide board that will run across for the padded panel, that Velcro angled strip that comes across here, and then also structure for our ceiling mounted padded panels. So yeah, it's coming together. Hey, what's up? Doug with the VHS Group here. So you're about to see the environment change. So we're cutting to a different project to actually show the screen installation component. So yeah, you'll see that change, but it's still the same process. So appreciate you checking out the video. If you're liking this type of content, please like this video and then subscribe to our channel because we've got more stuff like this coming. Thanks. We've got our brackets in place. The bottom, top corner, opposite corner, and here. And so what we're going to do, we're actually taking a little bit of a different approach on this one because once you start hanging the screen material, it wants to sag and kind of drape down. So we're actually going to secure this top cable in a few locations just to keep it nice and taut. And then that should allow us to lift the screen up and start getting the zip tie fasteners in place quicker. Evan is getting the screen hung up. So bracing it first is allowing it to go up with minimal droop, which is really important. This is such a stark white screen. It's always a little bit nerve-wracking whenever you start to hang it because you don't want to get it dirty. It's looking good. We got the screen in place now. It's massive, it looks good. Gavin is going through and securing with the staple gun the hook and loop / Velcro strips. And then we'll put that all in place and have a finished screen. So here you can see that the screen is up, it's in place. Those side angled pieces are connected to the Velcro and everything is nice and tight and secured. Here we're just rolling out the turf and getting that into place. But yeah, I mean, we're so impressed with the Carl's Place impact screen built-in kit. It's a really great solution. You can see here we've started to put the padded panels up. It just gives such a clean look and allows you to fully maximize the space and make the golf simulator truly a part of the house. You know, if somebody's investing a lot of money into something like this, you know, you want it to be part of your home. So the pipe and frame kits are cool, but having a built-in sim kit is cooler. So check out Carl's Place. It's a great product. Hit us up if you need any help with setting this up in your house. We're here for you.